Elderberry is a dark purple fruit from the elder tree, native to Europe and North America. This small berry has been used in traditional medicine for centuries due to its potential health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamins that can really help strengthen your immune system. Feeling under the weather? This plant might just be your answer. Hi, I'm Dr. Carrie Lam, and our team has years of experience helping people in their health journey with natural, functional, and integrative options. Studies suggest elderberry can actually boost your immune response, especially if you catch a bug. Integrating elderberry into your daily routine, especially during the winter season, can give your body that extra layer of defense against colds. Think of elderberry as a natural shield for your immune system, helping you stay healthy and recover quickly. How much elderberry should you take daily? It's important to use elderberry correctly to maximize its benefits. Elderberry supplements are available in syrups, capsules, and lozenges, each with specific dosing instructions. For syrups, you should take 1 to 2 tablespoons daily for adults and 1 teaspoon for children. Similarly, with capsules generally ranging 300 to 600 milligrams, the recommended dosage is 1 to 2 a day. On the other hand, lozenges should be used according to the package instructions, often maybe 1 to 2 lozenges several times a day. Consistency is key. Regularly taking elderberry can significantly support your immune system, especially during the flu season when you're feeling unwell. Thinking about elderberry, here are some potential side effects and safety precautions. While elderberry is generally safe when used correctly, important safety considerations must be remembered. Consuming uncooked elderberries can be toxic as they contain compounds that can cause nausea, vomiting, and other adverse effects. Therefore, it's crucial to use elderberry products that have been processed properly to ensure safety. Additionally, some individuals might experience mild side effects like stomach discomfort or digestive issues, especially if they're sensitive to certain ingredients. To maximize the benefits of elderberry, avoid any unwanted side effects, always adhere to recommended dosages, and use products from reputable sources. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. I'm here to empower you to take control of your health.